Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm here with the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport Plus. This is the record-breaking car, the one that did over 300 miles an hour in August. If you look closer, you can see where bugs have splattered on the front of the car during that high-speed run. They haven't been able to clean them off entirely. I like that, it's authentic. But the design at the front is slightly different than the normal Chiron. So the front diffuser is a bit different. This gap here to let the air smooth over the wheel is different. Aero, very important on this car because it had to do 300 miles an hour. Also, if you look in the wing, you've got these holes which let high pressure air escape, which is built up in the wheel arch. And you've also got another vent here to do exactly the same thing. The wheels are the same as the normal Chiron, so are the brakes. What's different though, the tyres have been modified slightly to cope with that extra performance. Now, if you look inside, you'll see this car is fitted with a roll cage. Obviously, doing a 300 mile an hour run, you need to think about safety quite seriously. The production cars will not have that. You'll also notice that it doesn't have a passenger seat. The production cars will have. There will only be 30 production cars though, and they've already been sold, and the starting price is 3.5 million euros. As we move down the side, you can really see the exposed carbon fibre looking super cool, and with the orange stripes on top. Often Bugatti customers, they will personalise their cars, but the people buying these won't. They'll keep it pretty much standard, because if you've got a world record breaking car, you want it to look like the car that actually did the time run. Moving to the back is the major difference. It's got a long tail, so it's been extended out slightly. Also, it's got a new diffuser over the normal Chiron. So they don't actually use the wing on this car in the run because that would provide too much drag and slow the car down. So all the downforce came from this diffuser. As a result of this new diffuser design, they've had to fit the exhaust slightly differently. And I do quite like this arrangement, it looks cool. Big news, obviously, on this thing is the engine. So it's an 8-litre quad turbo, 16-cylinder, and it puts out 1,600 horsepower, 1,600 newton meters of torque as well. So one serious engine. This is a thing of beauty and a thing of performance. Lucky owners. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos, and if you click on the deals box to the right, you can see how much you can save on a new car at Carwow. Or click on the video windows below to watch another of my videos.